Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches many lives: obesity. It's a complex issue that goes beyond just numbers on a scale. It's about personal journeys, struggles, and triumphs. Obesity can often feel isolating, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many people face challenges related to weight, influenced by a mix of genetics, environment, and lifestyle choices. It's easy to fall into the trap of negative self-talk, but let's shift that narrative. Every story is unique, and every step towards change is a victory, no matter how small. For some, the journey begins with a simple decision to take a walk or to choose a healthier meal. These small changes can lead to significant transformations over time. It's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate those little wins. They build momentum and confidence, reminding us that we have the power to shape our own paths. Support is crucial in this journey, whether it's friends, family, or community groups. Having a support system can make all the difference. Sharing experiences and encouraging one another fosters a sense of belonging and understanding. Remember, it's okay to seek help and guidance. There are professionals who can provide valuable insights tailored to your needs. As we wrap up, let's focus on kindness both to ourselves and to others. Everyone's journey is different, and compassion can go a long way. If you found this discussion helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more uplifting content. Your journey matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and take care.